fold the new Kawasaki rose. If you want the color on the outside, then you want to start with the color side up. First, you want to fold the paper diagonally in half in both directions. And then you want to unfold it, and then fold this edge to the center crease we just made. And then do that on the opposite side, so it looks like this. And then you want to fold it in half, like so. Then you want to fold this edge to the top, so folding it in half. Then you want to fold it in half one last time. Then you want to turn it over, and you want to repeat that again. It'll look like this. And you can ignore these little flaps at the bottom because they aren't that important. So you want to unfold it, and then repeat that on the other side. So then it will look sort of like this. Then you want to unfold it. And then you'll have, flip it over. As you can see here, you'll have this grid. And then if you notice where the diagonal half creases, where they cross, you'll have other creases that also cross at that same point. And you want to grasp those creases and sort of collapse it so it looks like this. And then you want to open it up just a little bit. And you see I have a little square here. And to obtain that, you want to fold this tip down to this little square here. Then you want to sink fold that. And then, if you did it correctly, you'll have these little flaps here and here. And then you want to fold both of the flaps to the right. And then fold this flap down. And then you'll have this here. And you want to open it up. It'll look like this on the color side. And it'll look like this on the white side. And then you want to turn it back to the color side. And you want to fold this crease right below this flap to this crease right below this flap. So you want to crease it like this. And to help you see it a little better, you want to pinch it here and here and bring the edges together like that. And then for the next part, you need to have it like this using the same crease. You want to bring it up like this so that it has the entire white part showing. And then you'll have this first row of squares, and you just want to fold that back. And then you'll have a little triangle here with this side. And you see I have a crease here. If you fold along that crease, then this edge of the triangle will meet with this crease. So you want to fold it sort of like that. Then you want to do that to all four sides. And then you want to open this up. And then when you have all the creases, this part's a little hard, but you need to sort of crunch up all the paper into a cylinder so that it looks sort of like that. Then you'll want to open it up a little bit, not completely. Then you'll see here, I have these squares, and at this point, which is 1/2 square and then 3 squares up, and then I have this rectangle over here, and you want to crease between that top point and this bottom point. And you sort of pinch that. And then I have another crease in this rectangle where at this same top point, and then here 2 squares at the bottom. Then you want to sort of pinch it pretty close to the top. And then it'll be like this, and to help it hold together better, you want to push it here so that it curves like that. And you want to do that to all the sides. So then it looks like this. Then you want to bring it back together, and you'll see that the shape is looking a lot like a rose now. And you might want to roll it up so that it's sort of tight. And then you'll see we have the same crease that we made before, and you want to fold that down, and you'll get this. And if you do that repeatedly on all the sides, then you will start to get this shape. It's a little hard to do on the first try, but you want to keep collapsing it until it looks sort of like this. And then on top, it'll look sort of like this, and you'll see that you have these very large pockets here, and it's popping out a lot, and you want to just push that in. Make sure not to tear the paper, maybe the edge. Just push that in, and then push it up. And do that again on this side. And just keep doing that. Then from the top view, looks like this. And then on the bottom, you'll have this. And then you should have a crease here. And it'll look sort of like that. It's a little hard to see. But you want to do an outside reverse fold so that you have a little square here. You want to fold it down. And then do the same on this side. Fold it down. And just keep doing that. The last one is the hardest, and then shaping it so that it looks like a square. Once you have them all done, you want to sort of shape it, fold this down to form the mountain creases here. If you turn it around, you want to sort of shape the petals in case you squish them a little bit or something like I did here. You want to shape the petals really in any way you want, and the rose is complete.